Students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Mathematics of Standard 4th. Here we are going to continue chapter number 2, Long and Short, part 3. So, let's start today's session with long jump. So, everyone knows that what is long jump. You can observe this figure for long jump. This is the long jump for boys. Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeters. The one whose name is Dhanu has the longest jump with 3 meters and 40 centimeters. So I will write here Dhanu's jump is of 3 meters and 40 centimeters. Now the second boy name was Gurjit is second. Okay, his jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. Now in second line what it has been written here that Gurjit is the second one. Okay, the first one is Dhanu with 3 meters and 40 centimeter. And Gurjit jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. So let's figure it out how to calculate Gurjit jump. So first of all I will write here Dhanu's jump is equals to 3 meter and 40 centimeter. Okay, and Gurjit jump is less than Dhanu's jump with how many centimeters? With 20 centimeter. Now the word less than, that means we need to subtract 20 centimeter from 3 meter 40 centimeter to know the exact jump of Gurjit. So let's calculate. I will write here meter and centimeter. So first we'll write Dhanu's jump, that is 3 meter and 40 centimeter, and Gurjit jump is 20 centimeter less than 20 centimeter. That means I will write in centimeter column 20. So we'll need to subtract these two numbers. So 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2 gives you 2. And there is no number here. So 3 minus, suppose 0 is here. So your ultimately answer is 3 meter 20 centimeter. So ultimately you will get the Gurjit jump is equals to 3 meter and 20 centimeter. So I have already calculated this. So you can observe here Dhanu's jump is 3 meter and 40 centimeter. Okay, now we need to find out Gurjit jump, and he is on which position? He is on second position. So his jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. So first we'll write Dhanu's jump, that is 3 meter 40 centimeter, and the less of Gurjit jump, that is 20 centimeter. So you will get 3 meter 20 centimeter, the exact jump distance of Gurjit jump. So here we done with Gurjit jump. Now what is the third line? Gopi comes third. See, first one is Dhanu, then second is Gurjit. Now in race Gopi comes third. In long jump Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeter less than Gurjit jump. Now just remember what is the jump of Gurjit. So it is 3 meter and 20 centimeter. Just now we find out this length of Gurjit long jump. Now in Gopi's jump only 5 centimeter less than Gurjit jump. So simply less than means we need to subtract 5 centimeter from 3 meter for 20 centimeter. So let's calculate this. So first we'll write Gurjit jump meter centimeter. The Gurjit jump is of 3 meter and 20 centimeter, and for Gopi's jump we need to subtract 5 centimeter. So as per the place value we'll write this 5 below the 0. We will not write this 5 below the 2 because it indicates 50 centimeter. Okay, and we need to subtract 5 centimeter. For that we need to write this 5 below this 0. So let's subtract this. We'll take here 10 because we cannot subtract 5 from 0, that is why we will take 10 here. 10 minus 5 gives you 5. Then we'll carry forward this carry. Here we'll get 1, so 1 again here, and this 3 as it is. So the Gopi's jump is equals to 3 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, so your answer is 3 meter 15 centimeter. So you can see here Gopi comes third, 5 centimeter less than Gurjit jump. So you can see here in this box I have calculated Gurjit jump is 3 meter 20 centimeter. So first I will write 3 meter 20 centimeter, and now we need to subtract this 5 centimeter. So if we subtract this 5 centimeter we'll get 3 meter 15 centimeter of Gopi's jump distance. So our first question we had done that how long are Gurjit's and Gopi's jump. The second question is try and see how far you can jump. So as per my point of view, I can jump 1.5 meter long. Let's see third one. How far can you throw a ball? So you need to throw a ball and you need to calculate the distance and you need to write in this blank. So as per my point, how far can you throw a ball? So till 5 meter I can throw it. Let's move to question number 4. Look for a big ball like a football or volleyball. How far can you kick it? So with the help of football and volleyball you need to kick that ball and measure the distance. So as per my distance it will go till 25 meter long. So here we conclude page number 17. Now we'll move to the page number 18. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. So you can observe this table. In that sports is written in first row, in second column world records written, and in third column Indian records are written. Now with the help of this table we need to find out these answers of these 6 questions. So let's start with our first question. How many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump? So first we'll find where is Chandrapal. So Chandrapal is here in Indian record in high jump men. To equal the men's world record for high jump. Now men's world record for high jump, that means this 2 meter 45 centimeter. And what we should know here, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal. Now we need to find the difference of these two calculations just because to see how much more Chandrapal need to do to reach 2 meter 45 centimeter. So simply we need to subtract 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter. So let's calculate this. So first we'll write world record and then we'll write Chandrapal's record. So again meter, centimeter, 2 meter 45 centimeter, this is a world record, and now we'll subtract Chandrapal's record, that is 2 meter and 17 centimeter. So let's subtract this. Here comes 15. So from 7 to 15, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it will gives you 8. Again this 4 will cut and we'll write here 3. Then 3 minus 1 gives you 2. And here 2 minus 2 gives you 0. That means Chandrapal needs more 28 centimeter to reach 2 meter 45 centimeter. That means to reach the world record, Chandrapal needs 28 centimeter. So you can see here I have already solved this question. World record of high jump is 2 meter 45 centimeter. Now Chandrapal's record of high jump equals to 2 meter 17 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, more number of centimeters required by Chandrapal to equal men's high jump world record. That means for world record, how many more centimeters Chandrapal need. So simply we'll just subtract the Chandrapal's record 2 from world record. So first we'll write world record, then we'll write Chandrapal's record. That means 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter. It will gives you 28 centimeter. So here we had done question number 1 with the answer 28 centimeter. Let's move further, that is question number 2. How many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? So first we'll search for Bobby A, that means here 1 meter 91 centimeter in high jump woman record. Okay, now we need to find out how many more centimeters he need to reach 2 meters. Okay, so let's calculate this. So first again we will write meter and centimeter. The Bobby A needs how many centimeter to reach 2 meter goal. Okay, so 2 meter is our goal. We'll write 0 0 in centimeter and we'll subtract Bobby A's record for high jump. So it will 1 meter and 91 centimeter. So let's subtract this number. Here comes 10. 10 minus 1 gives you 9. Again this 0 will cut and we'll write here 9. 9 minus 9 gives you 0. Again this will carry forward here and this 2 will comes to 1. So 1 minus 1 gives you 0. That means 9 centimeter more Bobby A needs to reach 2 meter record. So just see here, Bobby A record for high jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter. Required centimeter is 2 meter. Now we just need to differentiate these two numbers to see how many more centimeters need for Bobby A to reach 2 meter. So simply we'll subtract 2 meter, 1 meter 91 centimeter from 2 meter. So it will gives you 9 centimeter. So here the question number 2 is done. Now we'll go through question number 3. Galina's long jump is nearly dash. So first we'll look for Galina. So where is Galina? Galina is here in world record for long jump woman. Her record is 7 meter 52 centimeter. So we need to find out long jump is nearly the near jump of these options. So let's see options: 7 meters, 7.5 meters and 8 meters. So her jump is 7 meter and 52 centimeter is nearly goes to 7 meter and 50 centimeters. Okay, this one is the nearest to 7 meter 52 centimeters. So answer is B, 7.5 meters. Let's move ahead. Question number 4. Look at the women's record, women's world record, that means this. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? Okay, now we need to find out the longest jump and the highest jump. In question, the term is written difference. So what do you mean by difference in mathematics? We need to just subtract these two numbers for find out the difference of longest jump and highest jump. So first we'll go to the table. The one is highest jump for women and the second one is long jump for women in world record column. So let's see here. The long jump is of 7 meter 52 centimeter and the high jump is of 2 meter and 9 centimeter. So we need to write 09 because as per the place value, or if we write 9 here then it will indicate as 90 centimeter, but we need to write 9. It means we need to write this in 09 figure. So let's calculate this. So again I'm distributing this in meter and centimeter form. So first I will write women's world record for long jump, that is 7 meter 52 centimeter. After that I will subtract women's world record for high jump, that is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Now let's subtract this. Here comes 12, 10, 11, 12. So it will gives you here 3. Again 5 will cut and will write here 4. So 4 minus 0 gives you 4 as it is. Then 7 minus 2 gives you 5. So the difference of women world record for high jump and women's world record for long jump is 5 meter 43 centimeter. So you can see here I have already solved this. Question number 4. Women's world record for high jump is 2 meter 9 centimeter and women's world record for long jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter, and we need to find out the difference of these two records. So first we'll write record for long jump, that is 7 meter 52 centimeter. After that we'll write high jump record, that is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. It will gives you 5 meter 43 centimeter. So your difference of these two records is 5 meter 43 centimeter. So here we conclude our question number 4. Now we'll move to question number 5. If Mike P. So first we'll search for Mike P. Mike P is here in long jump men world record. Okay. Could jump dash centimeters longer. His jump would be full 9 meters. Again we need to find the difference, because the Mike P should reach 9 meters. Okay, and his long jump record is of 8 meter 95 centimeters. So let's calculate this. So record for Mike P long jump is 8 meter 95 centimeter, and he needed to reach 9 meter. So first we'll write 9 meter. In centimeter column we'll put 0, and we need to subtract his current record, his original record, 8 meter 95 centimeters. So for the finding out the difference of these two numbers, we need to subtract this. So 0 will cut and we'll put here 10. 10 minus 5 will gives you 5. Again this 0 will cut and we'll write here 9. 9 minus 9 gives you 0. Okay, then again this 9 will cut and we'll write here 8. 8 minus 8 gives you 0. So for reaching 9 meter goal, he need to jump more 5 centimeter. So you can see here, record for Mike P long jump is 8 meter 95 centimeter. Difference to reach 9 meter. So first we'll differentiate meter and centimeter. First we'll write 9 meter, and in centimeter we need to put 2 zeros. After that we need to subtract the record of Mike P of long jump, that is 8 meter 95 centimeter. With the help of subtraction we'll find 5 centimeter of difference. So for reaching 9 meter goal, he need to jump more 5 centimeter long. Let's move further, that is question number 6, or we can say it as MCQ number 6, whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters. So how will write 2.5 meters? 2 meter 50 centimeters. So first we'll write Stifka K. So where is Stifka K? Here. 2 meter 9 centimeters. So first I will write 2 meter 9 centimeter. Then Chandrapal. Where is Chandrapal? 2 meter 17 centimeter. Third one is Javier S. So Javier S is here with 2 meter 45 centimeter, and the last one is Bobby A with 1 meter 91 centimeter. So we need to see which one is nearer or close to 2 meter 50 centimeter. So after observation we directly see that 2 meter and 45 centimeter is nearer to 2 meter 50 centimeter, because 2 meter 9 centimeter is too far. After that 2 meter and 17 centimeter is also too far, and 2 meter 45 centimeters, so just 5 centimeters behind from 2 meter 50 centimeter, and 1 meter 91 centimeter is very long difference. So answer is 2 meter 45 centimeter, that means Javier S. Option C is your answer.